All right, hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to make 3 matcha drinks. One's gonna be the koi cha, which is kind of a ceremonial matcha drink in Japan. It's like a shot of espresso. 2 is gonna be what we refer at MoonGoat as the matcha kano, and that's 8 ounces of hot water with matcha, one of my favorites. And then we're gonna make the matcha spritzer, and that's over ice. I know people get crazy, like, I can't do matcha, it's crazy. But no, matcha is actually really simple to make at home. And I'm gonna show you how simple it is to make at home. All right, the first is what we call a koi cha. That is a ceremonial matcha drink. And basically, you're just gonna take either a teaspoon, chasuku here, and we're gonna put probably about 3 grams is what they consider a koi cha. And then we're gonna put it on a scale if you got a home scale. And we're gonna just do about 1.5 ounces of water. Okay? We sell all these kits online too as well, so you can get these kits. You just need a whisk, a bowl, and good matcha, ceremonial matcha. I'm not gonna do a full ceremonial like they do in Japan, but I'm just gonna do a quick. If you like an espresso shot, this would be the equivalent of it. And basically, you can see, you got nice crema there. And that would go in your shot in the morning. And it's a really stiff shot, but this is amazing. And this is, you're gonna taste this, is gonna be really strong. So that's quick. Saw how fast I did that, super simple. All right, the next is gonna be what I like to refer as a matcha kano. 8 ounces of hot water with just 1.5 grams of matcha. This is my favorite. This is personally my favorite thing. I'm also gonna take some agave, and I'm just gonna put just a little squeeze, just a touch. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do about 1.5 ounces of water. Cool. We're gonna brisk that right up. You wanna make sure everything's broken up. You can use the strainer, but we use really good ceremonial matcha, so you don't really need the strainer, but some people like to use the strainer. Boom. Cool. And then I'm gonna go about 8 ounces of water. And that's what we like to refer at MoonGoat as a matcha kano. And this is a fabulous drink in the morning. It's super fast to make, and it tastes excellent. And you can do it without the sugar too, without the agave. And then the next drink I'd like to show you is another really simple drink. This is a great summertime drink. This is what I call the matcha spritzer. So I'm gonna put a little ice on this. Try not to make a mess. All right, 1/2 cup. You can use a protein shaker, or you can buy something like this. I like this little guy because it's got a little spout on it when you're done shaking. Pretty much the same thing. I like to use about 1.5 grams of matcha, which is about a full teaspoon, or a couple of these with the chasuku. So, do that. Perfect. And then we're just gonna put a couple little ice cubes in here to break it up. You can do hot water or cold water, don't matter. I'm just gonna put a little hot water in it, just a little bit, maybe 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce. Cool. You're gonna shake it briskly. As I'm shaking, I'm pouring. Now you can put vanilla syrup in this, you can put strawberry syrup, you can put any kind of syrup, you can use any kind of seltzer water too. LaCroix, bubbly, peach, strawberry, watermelon, all that stuff is amazing. You're gonna love it. Cool. And then you just pour a little bit over the top. See that little bit of love there? I'm gonna go a little bit over the top with it. Activate that. Woo! That's a spritzer for sure. So you got that drink at home. That's a really, really awesome drink. I just made these drinks within 5 minutes. All right, guys, well, that about wraps it up. I want to thank you for hanging out with me. Just a reminder that we do sell matcha at the shop. We'd love to see you come by. And just remember that matcha is one of the highest antioxidant drinks on the planet. It does make you happy. We call it the happy tea, and I'd love to get it in your life. Thank you very much.